thoughts race my mind, like a crowd full of people running for their lives. With these thoughts in my head, I can't rest. Nobody can see me. I'm like a shadow they will see, living in a mind of darkness and emotion is called sadness. Every night I look up at the sky. The moon lit up so bright. I hope to try to fly, but I cover with light. I wish I can be somebody else, but I'm still stuck in a dusty old shell, waiting to be reached, waiting to tell a story that was never once told. My heart is aching. It's already breaking. I'm in such pain and sorrow, like a bow and arrow just hit me. Screaming in such pain. Why am I feeling this way? Why can't I say? Why can't I tell them anything? I bet they will laugh at me. And they wouldn't forget if I tell the story to them. That's what I think I get. This anxiety is so tricky. I wish I can be free from this chain that traps me. It is an endless cycle. Suicide is on my mind. I can't take much longer. I won't be here anymore, so please help me. But somebody had touched me and smiled. She gave her hand and made me feel special. She gave words that I never heard before. It was light and gentle. I finally see the light comes from her. The satisfaction of life strengthens